What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do something a little different today. Well, just something in addition to scrapping. See, we're on our first bit of scrap right here. My little brother, I guess, is doing some micro scrapping. So he asked me, here's a nice table, folding table. Let's see. Doesn't have a handle, but it functions quite nice. So we're gonna hang on to that. But anyway, yeah, my younger brother is doing some micro scrapping, so he's been asking me to grab some televisions. So we're gonna pick him up a few. And he said the trade-off would be some nice chunks of copper. And I said, hey, I can do that. We'll do it for free. But if he wants to give me some copper, so I think from where his job is, they're getting rid of doing some clean out and everything, so he's getting his hand on a little bit of copper. I said, don't mind if I do. Got the lamp. Get that out of there. And here's a bed rail. One of those all-in-ones. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna be picking up some TVs along the way. It's Friday here in the good old Turtle Island, TGIF, all that good stuff. I actually got some nice pieces in there. I'm not exactly sure what these are. Let's see if I can get my my hook. I'm in the process of making another hook, but it has a decent handle on it. And some nice chairs. Clean those up. And make some good use out of them. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. I'm assuming that's some kind of bed frame, some kind of framing. But it's pretty good metal, so works for me. Anything else in here? What's that? Okay. Yep, I think that's it. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Yep, but it's Friday. You guys got any plans for the weekend? I think I want to go see a movie this weekend. I didn't make it last weekend. Got caught up doing a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna try it again this weekend. And trust that it works out for us. But until then, we're going to hunt for some scrap. Yup, spotted us another TV. Flat screens. It's the name of the game. Yeah, that's a nice one right there. But it's been raining all week. It's been raining all week. Of course, I was in that person's way. Works out like that sometimes. We have to do better. Well, here's another one. And another one. And another one. Man, yeah, I could have gotten him a lot of televisions over time, but I guess this is something new that he's doing. So, hey, kudos. Like I said, start out small, find your little niche, and turn it into some kind of profit. I love it. I love it. They like it. I love it. Let's see. Get these down better. Yeah. There we go. All right. Anything else over here of interest? Nah, I don't see much. Don't see much. What's in the bag? Ah, here we go. Got a little bit of aluminum in there. It's always good to look in the bags. Always good to look in the bags. A little loom. Those carpet tacks, boy. Those carpet tacks. Kind of stuck. Stuck like Chuck. Got one more. There we go. Take that. All right, let's keep it moving. Well, they got a mess out here. Big mess. But we're gonna look through it and see what kind of treasures it may have. I don't see a whole lot. A lot of furniture. Furniture. More furniture. Let me see. Somebody left a bag. Oh, that's a piece of fan. There's some cord. Got the old snips. I'll take that. Anything else in here? Bunch of wrapping, gift bags. Handbag. It's seen better days. But this'll do. A little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. Get in there. All right. Yep. Let's take a sneak peek. See what's going on. Shadow hour is soon approaching. Yeah. Let me see. Do I want to hop in? Open the door. Let's hop in. I'm always down for an adventure. Oh, slippity doo dah. Slippity yay. I come to get you, Mr. Flat Screen. Look at all these TV boxes in here. It's like 4 or 5 of them. Flat screen boxes. Are they really that cheap? Man. That's something else. but they got a lot to go around. And I think this is our 5th one. Yep, I think this is our 5th. Television. All right. Works for me. Let's go find some more. That's a nice bike. We're gonna take it. Might donate it to a bike man in the neighborhood. We'll think about it. We will think about it. Let's see if anything else is over here. Nope. Wood frame. Oh, I do see some lamps. Some kind of cooking grease. Oh, man. Yeah, those are some nice lamps. Nice. Good steel on them. Good steel lamp. You know what? I'm going to take these bulbs out, though. Save ourselves some shattered bulb and stuff. All right, moving on. Well, maintenance guy left us a screen door frame. Don't mind if I do. They already took the screen out for us and everything. How kind. How kind. There are some good people left on the planet. There we go. Little kick there. Come on out of there. Little plastic brackets. It keeps it all together. I'm gonna bend you. Got to break you down. There we go. Un más, por favor. All right, we'll get that later. Kind of strong. That's kind of strong. Okay, here we go. And you know what? Since they did us a favor, we're gonna do them a favor and throw the screen away. Take this over here to the dumpster. And it leads us to another bit of scrap. Can I reach it? Ah! Little exercise, something. One of those little ab waist trainer things. Man, see how the universe works? I could have left that there for them to discard. But, you know, I did the honorable thing since they left me the screen door and took the other stuff to the trash, and it led me straight to some scrap. The universe rewards your efforts. Spotted this while driving through a residential area. Some kind of heater. I think it's mostly metal, but we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. So I gotta organize this a little better. All right, let's get out of this traffic. Let's give it a quick look-see. There's a little something down there. See a stainless pan and a pot. Hey! Throw that in there. Hello, stainless. That's got a decent amount of steel, but I don't think it's worthy of our efforts. Up and out of. Yike! I still got it. I spotted something over here. What do we have? I'm not sure, but I'm going to investigate. Oh, it's a bunch of wood. Thought it was a pile of scrap, but we do have a pile. Got this what is this? DVD player, Toshiba. Yeah. Take that. Oh, my bad. Oh man, this is a nice tote. Real nice tote. The top, not so nice, but you know what? The tote bar. Put some scrap in that. Definitely hang on to that. Put a lot of wire in that thing or some other miscellaneous scrap. Yep. TV number 6 is in the mix. It's a big one too. Great big old flat screen. Do I got room for that? They gotta have to make a little room. I think we can creep it up on the side of this. Push that over. Not getting any cooperation. It's the bike. Causing a little trouble. Let's make some adjustments. You stay there. Okay, that folds. Over there, right there. Bike over that way a little bit. Bring that there. Lean that down. And you can come with us, is that? Oh, wow. That's actually some pretty good cast metal. That's aluminum. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get this big. Big old 60, 70 inch, I don't know. But it's it's probably about a 60 incher. right. That works. That worked out good. Almost forgot our giant tote. It's like a 75-gallon tote right there. Anything else out here that I can use? A couple of nice vases. And this plastic one. Man. Those are kind of nice. Little mirror. Don't see nothing in there. Saw this wicker basket tied in. There's a cord. Got in here some kind of light. Set up that. Take some kind of charger. WD-40. Empty. And somebody already cut the cords off of this. Somebody's been out here already. That's dirty aluminum. The you know those lights that people put out on the lawn? That's plastic. A lot of time that's aluminum. There's another one. Yep, just take the glass out. It's a little piece of stainless. I think that's it. I'll get my snips so I can get my cord. And we'll be on our way. I stepped in something wet. Foot's getting wet. Oh, see, it's a puddle. I was in a puddle the whole time. No worries. No worries. Come along with the territory. All right. Good to go. What we got? Another open top. Another open top. Don't see much. Okay. There's a lamp. And a light fixture. Fixture. And take that itchy, scratchy stuff off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, all right. Little cord. Getting some little tidbits tonight. Pick-a-boo. Another television. Gonna get it. Oh man, this one got some weight to it. Whew. Wow. It's gonna be very interesting to see what's in this one. Man, this one look like it's got a lot going on. I would drop the tailgate. 'Cause this thing weighs, I don't know how much it weighs. But it weighs a lot. That's all I can say. say close to 80 pounds. Here's a gigantic light fixture with a monster ballast. Don't mind if I do. Got a little wire on it. Got a little wire. Hey. Ain't mad at that. Is they gonna stay? I don't know. Get a little lower. There we go. That's gonna stay. Is that it in here? Did I see anything else? Yeah, I see another flat screen. I think this makes number 8. Give my brother a lot to work with. I'm gonna be very curious. Well, I'm not gonna be curious. I'm curious on what kind of scrap comes out of these things. I know there's motherboards and stuff in there. Yeah. Maybe a little copper components, little aluminum things. But he's got 8 of them so far, so we're gonna keep going. What we got? Got a ventilation. Toss that in there. And a whole lot of cardboard. That's gonna have to do. All right. Let's go. Doing a little residential scrapping. I haven't did residential scrapping in quite some time, but I did happen to spot this bracket of some sort. Maybe it goes to a television. Who knows? But it's ours now. So, ladies and gentlemen, dumpster divers, eBayers, scrappers, scavengers, extraterrestrials of all kind, beings, known and unknown, friends, family, loved ones, we're gonna call it there. We didn't get a ton of scrap, but we didn't do too bad overall. We did get some miscellaneous metals, a little stainless, a little copper, bike workout equipment. But our main objective was flat screen televisions, and we did quite well on that. I believe we got 8 flat screens to give my brother to scrap out, and gonna do a follow-up video about what he gets out of the TVs to see if it's even worth scrapping, flat screens, and so on. So yeah, we'll find out sometime in the future. I'll get the information from him. Maybe hopefully we can record some of the breakdown of the flat screen TVs and go from there. But it's Friday, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Appreciate the support of the channel. Appreciate the comments, the likes, the sharing, the subscribing, and the views. And yeah, this video was scrapping flat screen TVs for the most part. Of course, we did get some other scrap also. And yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys to see what kind of stuff we get out of these televisions. I know there's motherboards and different things, and we'll get them scrapped out and see if it's worthwhile picking up and scrapping. So with that said, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe. Always enjoy your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm happy scrapping to y'all. Peace and love.